YouTube, I want to go over today's trade for NASDAQ. Alrighty, let's get this going fairly quickly, no hesitation. Let's get this pushing, man. Alright, so today's trade, basically 9:30 was around this time frame right here. As you can see, we got a huge upside push at the start of 9 a.m. around like, what is this, a 1 minute? I don't want to look at the 1 minute. Let's not look at the 1 minute. Let's look at the 5 minute. This is not even it. Trade ideas. Last week. Alright, here we go. So right here, as y'all saw in the 1 minute, did y'all see all that rejection on this trend line? So as you can see, we were forming a trend line here, and I noticed it. So I didn't want to take buys like around this time. It did start pushing up, but I'm like, nah, why would I take a buy and take a 1 to 2, and I could just wait for the reversal and see if we can get a bigger drop than that. And that's what I did. So basically, as you can see on the 1 minute, you'll see all the touches. You would literally see all the touches. You see all these rejections right here. After a couple rejections, I'm like, okay, yeah, it's respecting this trend line. Like it was not pushing past it. And as you can see, I took my sell around like this candle. I put my stop loss like above this candle, just a little more, 25 pips. And then we waited for the reversal, and as you can see, we got a nice trend line breakdown. Once we broke out of these lower lows, I mean these higher lows, whatever. I felt a little more confident holding this trade. But at a 1-to-1, you guys, every time once it hits a 1-to-1, I put my stop loss to break even. That way, if it does reverse, you know, you can recover back faster. You could take another trade, either or. Because I don't go for anything. I don't go for 1-to-1s because you want to have a good risk to reward. You want to have a good return over time. You want to grow your account over time. It's not about quick money. So that's why you follow the risk reward strategy. It's the best thing. You can have a losing win rate strategy, and you like a 30% win rate, and you could still be profitable by taking 1-to-4s and stuff through the week. This put me up for 4 days for the whole week, like literally. So I can lose 2 trades tomorrow. I'm still up like what is that? Like about 50 pips still for the week. So hey, well, awesome, works for me. Do what works for you. But this is a great strat. Every morning at 9:30, you guys, you will see a push, like literally, like it's gonna push one way. You just wait on it, be patient. Sometimes you get a breakout, wait for a candle closure. So if this came up here and closed like right here, and it closed above this, I would have been looking for buys. But as you can see, we already had the trend line. Every time it comes to this area, it's respected. So that's what we expected to see today, and that's exactly what the market did. Basically, yeah, that's it for that. Let's check out US30. I didn't trade US30 though. I can check it out for you guys. Definitely. Let's see, man. US30 looks horrible. Let me get off this 1 minute, bro. I hate the 1 minute. I don't hate the 1 minute. 1 minute's alright. Yeah, we'll look at this. 9:30. I had the line set, I believe. Also 9:30, we got a break and a retest. So we got a break, as you can see, then we retest, then we got a nice bearish engulfing candle, engulfing the past candle. I would have got in about right there, have my stop loss above this, probably above this wick right here, not too much above that wick, and I would have just let the rest play out. Now as you can see, this thing tunk. This thing absolutely did tank right here. This was 9:30. And the break and retest happened right before, so this was a beautiful trade. We got a huge fake out. I know a lot of people enter that, but look, guys, if you follow the strategy, if I'm looking at this right, if you follow the strategy, say if I had this 30 pips, US30, I like to use 30 pips. 1-to-1. This would have been a 1-to-1 right here, you guys. So you see, you would have had to, okay, stop loss, break even. Once your stop loss would have been break even, right when this reversed, okay, you would have been clear. All right, boom. Now you would have closed that out. You would have closed that out. You just said, okay, you know, you didn't lose today, so you can take another trade. You'd hop in on the reversal, same thing, 30 pips. You just saw the break and retest, like okay, it's definitely break and retesting now, because we trade off momentum, so we don't know. This trade could have just literally kept going, so that's why we do it. You never know. It couldn't have been a break and retest. It could have continued up, but you never know. But this was a high confluence play right here. We're below the VWAP, below the 90 MA, break and retest, and if you'd have took that buy, you would have been good still. And then we got in on the reverse. We'd have held to it. We'd have hit 1-to-1 right here. Once we'd have hit 1-to-1, stop to break even. Always put it a little bit above that line, you guys, or that resistance line. Just a little bit, you know. You could have at least about, you know, a couple dollars on the line. Just not too much. You want it to be closer to break even. And then we would have got a huge drop after. I like to take I take a 1 to 2 majority of the time, you guys, to be honest. But right there, you could have took that. Sometimes I will wait for it to get right here, and then right when it gets right here, I'll put my stop loss about right here and just let the rest run, because you could get a candle like that. Like, you never know, and you could have just caught a, I don't know, I would have probably got stopped out like on this, because I would have been trailing. Yeah, you would have caught a good 1 to 5, honestly. Nice trade. About a 1 to 4 though, majority. Yeah, about a 1 to 4, I'll say. Nice trade, up for the week. And trading is that simple, you guys. I can keep going on and on. We could do gold. Let's do gold for you guys. So gold, yeah, we got the same thing. Gold, gold not too bad. I would have definitely took a trade under that with that candle right there. 930, past 930, took a short. Gold, you always do 2 pips. 2 pip stop loss. And yeah, you could got a nice 1 to 3 on gold if you held the full trade. But 1 to 1, break even. 1 to 2, that's typically when I take profit. And I'll adjust my stops a little bit, take profit, do something. And you could have held a 1 to 3 if you don't want to move your stop loss. But either or, it's just safer to move your stop loss, you guys. You guys want to take some risk off the table all the time. You never know. The trades is not. You don't know the market. The market is by off of other people, news. We can't guess the market. We just gotta have as many confluences as possible. And you know, we could kind of just take it from there, and you know, use our strategy to come up with the best solution or the best, you know, hypothesis to see where the market's gonna move. But yeah, you guys, that's typically it for trading. If you guys have any other questions, just comment down below. Yeah, I'm switching over all business, you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys everything I know about making money. So that's what we're on. That's the next goal is 2025. I'll do reactions sometimes. I used to do reactions, but nah, I don't. I felt like I wasn't helping nobody. I'm just listening to music. I really listen to music personally, so that's a hypocrite. But yeah, man, like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy, bro. Stay reading, stay growing, keep pushing. Yeah, just don't stop. That's all. It's simple, y'all. Just don't stop. You're gonna get these illusions of problems. Well, they're really problems, but just know they'll pass. We signing out. Let's go.